A small Christmas tree may be compact, but it can still make a big festive impact. With the right decorating approach, even the tiniest tree can feel magical, cozy, and full of holiday spirit. Today, we're exploring small Christmas tree decor ideas that bring joy, warmth, and style into any space. We'll walk through 3 simple steps: creating the base look, adding decorative details, and finishing with touches that make your tree shine. These ideas work beautifully for small apartments, bedrooms, offices, or anywhere you want a little holiday cheer. Start by giving your tree a clean foundation. Shape the branches, adjust the silhouette, and make the tree look full and balanced. A well-shaped base makes everything else fall into place. Choose a color direction or mood. Soft and minimal, bright and playful, or warm and traditional, the base theme sets the tone for the rest of your decorations. What style do you love most for a small Christmas tree? Minimal, colorful, or classic? Share your favorite in the comments. Now bring the tree to life with decorative accents. Add pieces that create contrast, movement, and personality. Even with limited space, small, thoughtful touches make a huge difference. Work from the inside out. Add deeper accents toward the center for depth, and place lighter, eye-catching elements toward the outer branches. This layering effect makes the tree feel fuller and more dimensional. Mix textures and shapes to keep it visually interesting. A blend of smooth, soft, and shimmering details creates a beautiful balance. If these small Christmas tree decor ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone decorating cozy spaces this season. Finish with the little details that pull everything together. Add a subtle highlight, a gentle sparkle, or a soft touch of color to complete the look. Even without a large topper, small trees can shine with a simple accent at the top or a decorative element placed nearby to complement the height. The goal is to keep things charming, clean, and beautifully proportioned. For more festive decorating ideas, DIY projects, and cozy Christmas inspiration, make sure to subscribe and join us for more holiday magic. And there you have it, small Christmas tree decor ideas that bring big holiday cheer into any room. With thoughtful shaping, layered details, and a few simple finishing touches, your small tree becomes a festive centerpiece full of warmth and personality. All the ornaments, mini trees, and decor pieces featured in this video are linked below so you can recreate the look at home. So this Christmas, decorate with joy, embrace the charm of small spaces, and let your tree shine in its own magical way.